School. Today I am speaking on Mangalyaan satellite. Mangalyaan satellite is India's first interplanetary mission to Mars. Mangalyaan satellite not only made India the first nation in Asia to send a satellite to Mars, it also made India the fourth nation to send a satellite and the first nation to send the satellite in the first attempt. However, there were many problems in sending this mission. Mangalyaan was not planned by the ISRO scientists. They had actually been working on Chandrayaan-2. But as Mars was closely approaching the Earth, as Mars was at its closest point to the Earth, the ISRO scientists decided it as the best time to send a satellite and decided to start working on it. As GSLV had many failures in the past, they could not use it, and as it wanted to send a new rocket, they had to delay the mission by 2 years. So they decided to use the PSLV rocket instead. As PSLV rocket was less powerful, could hold less fuel, and could hold very little weight, they had many complications in making of the satellite. As this rocket was very less, they decided that as the rocket was very less powerful, they decided that the rocket would leave the spacecraft only till the orbit of the Earth. The rocket parts would wear off. Only the rocket engine was the work of the rocket engine to propel the satellite forward. After this, to save fuel, the ISRO scientists did not keep the rocket on for the fuel tank on for all the time. They only on it at a point and fired it so that it could go from a higher speed. At each orbit, the rocket rose higher and higher orbit. Soon, it had gained so much momentum that it escaped the orbit of Mars and got caught in the orbit of Mars. Though it seems that as the fuel for the transfer from the orbit of Earth to Mars was very less, they decided to use the solar panels place the solar panels a bit down and use them as sails to propel. There were other challenges to make the satellite lighter, and so they used the plastic instead of metal to make the satellite. As the satellite entered the orbit of Mars, as a satellite neared Mars, it had gained the speed up to a very high speed. If the satellite went on at such speed, it would not be caught. It would either crash onto Mars or it would cross Mars and go into outer space. So the scientists had to decrease the speed very quickly. So they were successful in their attempt of decreasing the speed. As the satellite reached Mars, it had lost connection with the ISRO scientists for a long time. The ISRO scientists feared that the satellite had gone missing, or it had crossed the orbit and reached into another orbit. But after a long wait,